I'm watching by the Young YouTube channel. Knox chili garlic 100% natural handmade. It's made product of the Philippines and did made in Cebu City. I'm watching their vlog. It's breakfast time, 9:10, 9:05. It's 9:05 here. So I'm watching Insta360 Go Ultra because I'm planning to buy. So I don't know how to use it. I'm just looking for good quality vlogging instruments or camera. So ano ba yung magandang camera pag vlog? Is it Insta360 Go Ultra or the other one? Nika, can you have a vlog here, your voice? I want to kuan you. You have to talk here.
Yo.
Sige, okay. What are you watching? Come here. So, ito pala yung Insta360 Go Ultra. Meron pala siyang pivot stand, sticky tabs, saka meron din siyang micro SD memory card. At saka tiny hands free cam pala yung 4K